Hi, my name is Amita Harsha, and I'm joining you from Detroit, Michigan.
Hi, my name is Anna Pert. We're joining you here from New York City.
My name is McKinley Hayes, and I'm joining you from Washington, D.C.
Hi, I'm Mike Popney, and joining you today from Detroit.
I'm Katie, reporting live from Impact Day in Denver.
During our annual day of service, also known as Impact Day, Deloitte professionals engage in more than 1,200 in-person and virtual projects across 100 U.S. cities. Projects that support our multi-year commitments to drive social and economic prosperity.
At our site in New York today, it was really awesome to see students brainstorming and problem
They
solving.
participated in a Shark Tank style competition where they gave ideas on how the environment could be bettered using robotic technology.
First, we started the session with students explaining what kind of problems they wanted to solve, and it was great to hear students excited about solving challenges from inflation to traffic to poverty to food shortage and even unemployment.
It was just great to see the students' wheels turning, to get them talking to each other, watching them move the rover forwards and backwards. Overall, I think the students had a great time, our facilitators had a great time, I had a great time engaging with the students, and I think we're doing something really special here in Washington, D.C.
I'm a believer.
I'm a believer.
I'm a believer.
I am a believer.
I'm a believer.